How to link searches in TikTok comments. Hi everyone, welcome back. In this following tutorial, I'm going to walk you through the steps on how you can link searches in TikTok comment. In order to link searches on TikTok comment, first thing first, make sure that your TikTok application is up to date and then open up or log in into your TikTok account. So after you're logged into your account, this is how the home page is going to look like. Once you're on this page, select the particular video where you actually want to link a searches. So in my case, I'm going to go with this particular video. As you can see in the right hand sidebar, you'll be able to see this comment icon. Just tap on it, and as soon as I've done that, you'll be enabled to make a comment or go through all of the comment as well. And to link a searches in TikTok comment, as you can see right at the bottom, there is a message bar or a blank field where you can actually type in the comment. So just tap on it and then let the text box appear. Now type in search. Now type in whatever you wish to. After that, you'll need to click on this arrow icon located right in the corner, and this is how you can link a searches. And apart from that, if you want to link your friend's profile and all that information, so for that also you'll need to do the same procedure. It is just tap on the search bar and then type in @, mention the people that you wish to add, just like this. As you can see, this particular profile has been linked. So do the same procedure, that is click on the arrow icon right over here, and you'll be able to link the searches in TikTok comment. That is all for this video. I hope the video was helpful. Make sure to like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also make sure to comment down below for any further queries. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.